Okay, so I didn't realize that my cell phone, I'm recording this on a cell phone. I didn't realize that it ran out of memory right in the middle of recording that. And I don't know at what point it shut off, but I didn't want to stop in the middle of what I was doing once I got heat everywhere. And I just went ahead and finished the job and took the wire wheel and ground off all the excess ugliness from soldering and got it cleaned up, looking good. I think the solder got in there well enough. I took the clamp back off and it seems to be holding itself pretty well. Seems to be pretty solid. It's holding itself good enough I can bend this bracket a little bit, flex it, and it's not pulling off. So I'll get this all cleaned up, get it repainted, put it back in the car, and do a pressure test before I put all the antifreeze back in it and see how we do. Hopefully this was useful to someone out there and try to help the community a little bit. Yeah. So, y'all take care.